Hey there, Josh Dickoff with Practical Revolution and our weekly update. Let me show you what we're up to. All right, here's a different view. I am actually at the second level of future houses. We're building the road here, and then you'll see it curves up a little there. So there are the houses we've already built. Let me take you on down. This is actually my first time driving on this road. And if you come out here to visit us at the site, I might even show you our super secret tree hangout. But that's only if you come out here to visit us. All right. So here is houses 8 through 12. And I'm going to shut the video off now and take you on a little up-close walkthrough through these houses and where they are right now. We'll see you in a bit. I'm back with a quick update on the interior. All right. So our electrician has been busy. He's gone through and done the rough in, and this line here actually goes outside the slab. And so we got that. And then you'll see we have some 2x4s on top of the walls there for the sheetrock to connect to. So we had to add some of that. And then here's our bathroom. We got the wires going for that. And we are making excellent progress. And now I'll show you one that we've put the insulation in. Stand by. I'm back at a house that we put insulation in. So we've got the batt insulation in the walls. We'll also put it in the ceiling, but not yet. And obviously we're not doing the bathroom and kitchen area yet because we have not done the plumbing. So that is another thing we need to get done. We are working on that. That will be next week. Next week we will have master plumber and getting the plumbing put in these walls, and then I'll show you that. Hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.